There is a moment in that crazy morning where time seems to stop. Jesus was arrested late one night, tried during the night by the high priest, and then early in the morning he is sent to the Roman governor Pilate for yet another trial. And this one will lead to the death sentence. But in the middle of that trial, Jesus says, "Everyone on the side of truth listens to me," and Pilate answers, "What is truth?" Last Sunday, March 14th, we looked at John 18, where Jesus was on trial before the chief priest. This Sunday, March 21st, we're going to pick up where we left off, John 18:28, and go through John 19:37. It's a rather long text for one lesson, so I would encourage you to read it before Sunday. In 1 Corinthians 15, Paul reminds the church of true things that are of first importance: the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus. I love the story of the resurrection, but in order to understand the glory of the resurrection, we need to acknowledge the agony of Jesus' death. It's a difficult part of the story, but there is so much irony, beauty, power, and truth displayed in the trial and crucifixion that it draws us closer to God. I look forward to worshiping with you this Sunday. Grace and peace.